students, welcome back to the career platform. Now let's move to the this is Anuradha from career platform. Now let's move to the exercise 2.4. okay, this 2.4 is totally based on the word problem that is okay. So this is the question number 1 I had written here. There is Amina thinks of a number and subtract 5 by 2 from 8. She multiplies the result by 8. Okay, so here we have to take number. Okay, we have to assume this number be x. So I am writing here solution. Let the number be x. So we have to subtract 5 by 2 from it. X minus 5 by 2. Okay, now she multiplies the result by 8. So this will be result. We have to multiply with this 8. The result now obtained is 3 times the same number. So this number is x. 3 times means we have to multiply with this. Okay, so this is 3x. So we get the equation from this. Now we have to solve for x. Firstly, we have to solve this bracket 1, 8x minus 8 into 5 by 2 equal to 3x. 2 1s are 2 4s are 8. That is 8x minus 5 4s are 20 is equal to 3x. 8x minus 3x equal to 20. 5x equal to 20. So what I am getting here? X equal to 20 by 5. X equal to 4. So what is the number? The number is 4. Okay. Okay students, now let's see question number 2. Okay, here we have to read step by step. Okay, a positive number is 5 times another number. So here what is talking about? The number. So we have to assume let the number be x. Okay, so here what is written? 5 times the another number. So other number is equal to 5x. I can write this one because it is 5 times means multiplication. Okay, now if 21 is added to both the numbers, these are the numbers x and 5x. Okay, so the new number is formed by adding both. Okay, so here I can write 5x plus 21 and here x plus 21. Okay, so here it is written then one of the new numbers become twice the other new number. So this is the new number and it is twice the other number. So twice means you have to multiply with 2. So this is the equation. What are the other numbers? Means we have to calculate x and 5x. Okay, so we have to solve this equation. So I will get x, then I can write this one. Now you can easily solve this one. Okay, 2x plus 21 into 2 is 42. 5x minus 2x equal to 42 minus 21. That is 3x equal to 1. 4 minus 2 is 2. So I am getting here x equal to 21 divided by 3. 3 1s are 3 7s are. So I am getting x equal to 7. So what will be the answer here? Number is x equal to 7 and 5x is 5 into 7 is 35. So you can write answer as numbers are 7, 35. Okay, so this is the solution for question number 2. Okay students, now let's see question number 3. It is based on the digits. Okay, here it is given some of the digits of a 2-digit number. 2-digit means one is tens and one is ones. Okay, so here for tens place I am writing here x. Okay, so sum of digits of a 2-digit number means t plus o is equal to 9. Okay, so in ones place what I can write here, 9 minus x, right? So here it is the solution. Let the number be x, let the number 8 tens place be x, number 8 ones place is equal to 9 minus x. Okay, so here when we interchange the digits, so original number what I can write here, original number is 10x plus 9 minus x. It is in the tens place, so I am writing here 10 into x plus ones place 9 minus x. Okay, in the expanded form. Okay, now you can read this one, that when we interchange the digits, it is found that the resulting new number is, okay, up till here we have to read, that is interchange the digit. So we have to interchange this digit. So by interchanging the numbers, so 9 minus x will be in the tens place and x will be in the ones place. It is 10 into 9 minus x plus x. Okay. After that, what it is given in the question? The new number is greater than the original number by 27. Okay. So what is our original number? This one. Okay. And it is greater than by 27. So we have to write equation like this. 10x plus 9 minus x plus 27 equal to 10 into 9 minus x plus x, like this. Okay. So here I can calculate. Here I am getting 9x and 27 plus 9 is 9 plus 7 is 16, 2 plus 1 36 equal to 10 nines are 90 minus 10x plus x. Okay, I am writing here that is, this is 9x plus 36 equal to here 90 minus 10 plus 9, that is, sorry, minus 10 plus 1, that is 9x minus 9x. Okay. So 9x plus 9x equal to 90 minus 36. So what I am getting here, x, 9 plus 9 is 18. Here 10 minus 6 is 4 and 8 minus 3 is 5. So we know that 18 threes are 54. Okay. So x equal to 54 divided by 18. 18 ones are 18 threes are. So x equal to 3. So what is our original number? This is our original number. 10x plus 9 minus x. We have to substitute this x here. So we will get the number. That is 10 into 3 plus 9 minus 3. Firstly, I will write here. Don't substitute directly. Original number is 10x plus 9 minus x. So 10x minus x is 9x plus 9. I can write like this. X is 3. We have to substitute the value of x. 9 threes are 27. 27 plus 9 is 36. So our number is 36 for this question. Okay. Okay students, now let's see question number 4. What is the question number 4 here? It is also based on the digits. Here it is given that one of the two digits of a 2-digit number. Here 2 digit number is here, means tens and ones. Okay, so if we take x as tens place, so other number is 3 times the other digit. 3 times means 3x I can write. Okay, so here how you can start, let the number 8 tens place is equal to x, number 8 ones place is equal to 3x, right? So what will be the original number? Like question number 3, we had write the original number. Okay, so here it is 10 multiplied by x, 10x plus 3x. Okay, if you interchange the digits of this 2-digit number, so firstly we have to interchange the digits. Means interchange means ones place will be tens place and tens place will be one place. That is 3x will be here and x will be here, like this, right? After interchanging, so 10 into 3x plus x I can write, that is 30x plus x. Okay, then and add the resulting number to the original number, you get 88. Means we have to add this both number, so I am getting 88 here. So according to the question, so you can write that as per question. We have to add this original number equal to 88. Okay, so here all are x terms, so 10 plus 30 is 40, 43 and 44. 44x equal to 88. X equal to 88 divided by 44. So ones are, twos are. So what I am getting here, x equal to 2. Okay, so here original number is 10x plus 3x. x plus 3x, that is 10 into 2 plus 3 into 2, that is 20 plus 6. What I am getting, the original number is 26. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay students, now let's see question number 5 of exercise 2.4. okay, this is based on the age. Okay, here Shobha's mother's present age is 6 times the Shobha's present age. So here it is given that 6 times the Shobha's age. So let Shobha's present age is equal to x years. Okay, so her mother's age is equal to 6 times here, that is 6x years, right? So Shobha's age is 5 years from now. Okay, so Shobha's year after 5 years, what it will be, x plus 5, x plus 5 years, 5 years from now. So now it is x, so after 5 years it will be x plus 5 will be 1/3 of his mother's present age. So what will be equation are? Equation is x plus 5 is equal to 1/3. Mother's present age is 1/3 of 6x. Okay, so 3 2 is 6x, x plus 5 is equal to 2x. X minus 2x equal to minus 5. Minus x equal to minus 5. Minus minus will be cancelled. So what I am getting here? X equal to 5 years. This is the age of शोभो. ठीक है. Okay, then what is her mother's age? Mother's age is 6x. It is 6 into 5 equal to 30 years. That is mother's age. So this is the answer for question number 5. That are the years for both Shobho's and mother's age. Okay students, I hope you understood up till here. That is question number 5 exercise 2.4. okay, then the rest of the question I will cover with in the next video. Please like, share and comment and subscribe this channel. Okay, thank you, and till then bye bye and take care.